Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the stitch. It's not difficult to make, so you will see. I think the stitches would be ideal, or for a blanket it would be very nice for a blanket, or for a blanket or for a bag it would be nice too. You can use it for many things. Hope that you find this video useful and that you will try it. We start by making the chains, as you can see. Now we go in the fourth chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do 3 trebles or 3 double crochet, depending how you call them. 1, 2, and 3. Now we skip 3, 1, 2, 3. We go in the fourth one, and we do 1, 2, 3 in the fourth one, and we do a double crochet or single crochet, how you call it. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the same place we make 3 trebles. 1, where we made the slip stitch, 2 and 3. We skip another 3, 1, 2, 3. We go in the fourth one. We do a single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And we do 3 trebles in the same place. 1, 2, and 3. Again we skip 1, 2, 3. We go in the fourth one, single crochet or double crochet, 3 trebles, 1, 2, and 3, and you do 3 trebles in the same place. 1, 2, and 3, and you continue all the row like that. You skip 3, 1, 2, 3. You go in the fourth one, single crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And 3 trebles or 3 double crochet. You continue all the row like that until you arrive at the edge. Then I tell you how to finish the row. Continue all the row like that. As you can see, the row is ready. I arrived here at the edge. I have here the last 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. I go in the last one and I finish with a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. And that is the first row ready. Now we start the second row. We make 2 chains. Turn the work around. Now where you have these 3 trebles here, as you can see, you go in the first one here and you make a single crochet or double crochet there. So the first 3 trebles here, we made it here, and the first treble here we make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to make 3 trebles now in the chains here, in the chains we made before. Those 3 chains we made before. 1, 2, and 3. Again we have these 3 trebles we did before. We go in the first one here and we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Again 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. You go here where we made the chains and we make another 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. Again we have these trebles here. We go in the last one, single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. We go in the chains here and we make 3 trebles. 1, 2, and 3. And you continue all the row like that. You go here in the third one here, double crochet or single crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and 3 trebles in the chains we made before. 1, 2, and 3, and you continue all the row like that. Then I tell you how to finish it. The row is ready. As you can see, we arrived here. I made these last 3 trebles here, and I have the last 3 trebles here. I go here in the first one here, and I finish with a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now I'm going to start with the other color now. So you can cut the thread. I prefer not to cut it, or you can leave it there so you can continue working with it. And I'm going to make the first chain with the 2 colors like this. Then I'm going to continue with the green one, and I'm going to make another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. So in all you have to have 4. Now this I leave it on this side. Now where I made the chains, I'm going to make another 3 trebles, 1, 2 and 3. Now I arrived here in the first 3 trebles. I go here like we did before, single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 trebles over here where I have the chains, 1, 2 and 3. I arrived at the next 3. I go in the first one here, single crochet or double crochet, another 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and I do another 3 trebles or double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now again here we go here, single crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 trebles or double crochet where we have the chains, and we're repeating what we did before. And you continue all the row like that. Then I show you how to finish it. The row is ready. As you can see, we arrived here at the edge. We go here and we finish with a single crochet. Now we're going to start again, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We turn the work around. We go in the first one here, we do a single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we do 3 trebles over here, 1, 2 and 3. Again these 3 trebles, we go in the first one here, single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we do 3 trebles here, 1, 2 and 3, and the third one here, single crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 trebles here, and you keep repeating this. Then I show you how to finish it. I will show you how to finish this row. This row is ready too. As you can see, we arrived here at the edge. We have these 3 trebles. We go in the last one here and we finish with a double crochet or single crochet. Now I have this other thread because I'm going to continue with it, and I'm going to put it up like this. Make a chain like that, and I'm going to continue now with this color, another 3 chains. Now we're going to repeat the pattern, 1, 2 and 3. 3 trebles here in the same place, 1, 2 and 3. We go in the first one here, single crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 trebles or double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. We go in the third one here, single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains and 3 trebles here. 1, 2 and 3, and you continue the row like that. Then I show you how to finish it. The row is ready, as you can see. We did it in the last one too. Now we're going to go on these chains here, the chains over here, down here, and we're going to finish with a treble or double crochet, and that is the other row ready, as you can see. Now we start with 3 chains. We turn the work around. We go in the first one here. We're going to repeat now. Single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 chains here where we have the chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go in the third one here, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and you make 3 trebles here, 1, 2 and 3, and you continue with the pattern. This is the pattern how these are the rows that I showed you that you have to repeat all the time. You continue with the pattern, and this is the final result how it comes. As you have seen, it was not difficult to make. All you have to do is repeat those rows that I showed you, and you will have this result. It's very beautiful, as you can see. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.